Welcome back to the channel. Don't know if you can hear me, just shouting out loud. Spring is here, look, bulbs are out. We're nearly into March, a few days time. Brilliant. Just did a quick run today, give the bike a run. Catch up with you when we get out the town. Brilliant. So just out a wee run today, give the bike a run, stop off at Traprain Law. Always take it easy here for horses. can't not miss Traprain Law wherever you go in East Lothian. And the views up there are amazing. Now, thought I'd show you them, but instead of walking up, let's do it the easy way and we'll put the drone up. I think it shouldn't be too windy, but well, we'll soon find out. Alright, I'll come back when I've got this set up. There you go, home point updated, so we're good to go. Right, so seeing as we've not got any sound on the drone, I'll give you a bit rundown on Traprain Law. So basically, Traprain Law is 4 miles east of Harrington here in East Lothian. It is a possible site of an Napoleon, which is a hill fort, ancient Bronze Age, which covered at its maximum extent about 16 hectares, which is 40 acres. And it is also the site of the Traprain Law treasure, which is the largest Roman silver hoard from anywhere outside the Roman Empire, which included exquisite silver artifacts. The hill, which is about 220 metres, which is 720 feet above sea level, was already a place of burial by around 15 BC and showed evidence of occupation and signs of ramparts after 1000 BC. The ramparts were rebuilt and realigned many times in the following centuries. Excavations have shown it was occupied in the late Iron Age from about AD 40 until the last quarter of the 2nd century, which is about the same time that the Antonine Wall was manned. In the 1st century AD, the Romans recorded the Vodini as a British tribe in the area, and Traprain Law is generally thought to have been one of their major settlements, named Curia by Ptolemy. They emerged as the kingdom under the Brythonic version of their name, Clododin, and Traprain Law is thought to have been their capital before moving to Dunedin, which of course is Castle Rock now in modern Edinburgh. In 1938, an area of the hill was leased to the District Council for use as a quarry for roadstone, causing substantial disfigurement to the landscape, and you'll see the picture here of the quarry. So there you go, a little bit of interest. Sadly, I had my height max was set at 240, which I think is the standard one. So I'm not quite high enough because I wanted to go into the centre and do a 360 around. But it's something else, something you can see anyway. Harvest time though, I'll come back and do it better in harvest because it's beautiful up here in harvest time. So I'll just fly back to the road and drop the drone down. Now I'm flying this without my reading glasses because I forgot them. But we'll get this back down, okay? Another news, I've been on holiday all week and I hadn't been out on the bike just with being so cold. But I had done a lot of Jeep stuff, had a couple of days working on the Jeep with videos of that. Been out seeing Chris with pal Steve, and we went for a spin on Sunday in Chris's Jeep. So it's just a one Jeep, but that's got some footage of that as well. Here we are, back to come.
Landing.
So hopefully we can show you more stuff when we're out and about this summer. So it's nice to get some calm weather. Anyway, let's get down the back road. Beautiful day. get back by Stenton. It's a beautiful day, but it is cold. It's only about 4 degrees and it's an onshore easterly wind, which is cold. Let you into a wee secret. Postman was here today with a new partial, and that's the Hitchcock's Kent cam arrived for this. Yeah, so I'll probably wait till the weekend and fit it. I'll do a video on it. Open heart surgery, here we go. Well, I'll do it myself. Some good tutorial videos, Tiger Ness. Glad he's on it first. His video. Right, up to the junction. Give it the beats up here.
you can hear me just yelling here, see me re-editing. Just a quick half-hour spin. That's what you need, man. Half-hour fix on the Enfield. Gives it a run. Good to get out. And hope that drone footage is alright for you. So, as always, thanks for watching. See you at the weekend for the drone film.